What's going on, everybody? T-Rex Vlogs here. Figured I'd just do a little video about my bike. 2013 R1. Got all the stickers on the front so far. It has a Corbin seat, which is phenomenal. If you're hesitant on buying one, I recommend it. Also have a Toast exhaust, Toast undertail, Toast mid-pipe, and a Superbikes Unlimited tune, which makes a night and day difference, and I will do a review on that at some point. And also a ram mount, which comes in very handy as well. I don't know if you can see it back there, but that's a Lambo. Seeing as I am in lovely Green Bay, Wisconsin. And it's 75 degrees out right now, so it's kind of nice. Nice to be able to ride again. Put this through its paces. The gear that I am wearing, I have an Icon variant helmet with a Senna 20S headset, a Senna Prism camera, an Alpine Star GP Pro jacket, Alpine Star SP8 gloves, and I'm wearing random shoes. That sound just never gets old. You know, as much as it robs performance and everybody wants to hate on Toast pipes, I can't say that I would get rid of them unless I could get a good deal on Acrobatic. Then I think I would, but otherwise definitely would not get rid of them. Gotta love that R1 crossplane sound. I think the only thing that beats the sound of this would be a Ducati. And that's only because they sound almost identical. I bought this bike a little over 1 year ago. I think I ended up signing the paperwork and getting it dropped off on March 1st. Traded in my 2012 Kawasaki Ninja ZX6 for it, which was a phenomenal bike as well. That for 2 years, I believe, and I had my my first bike, which was a 1994 Kawasaki Ninja ZX9, which I will get into the story on how that bike is no longer at some other point. Full exhaust, engage. Alright, that's going to conclude today's vlog. If you like what you're seeing, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Peace.